Hi there! Let's explore how Zendesk Sandbox empowers your teams to safely manage configurations and automate deployments with version management tools right inside a single platform. Right here is your Sandbox overview, a realistic test environment that mirrors production without impacting live operations, enabling your teams to innovate safely and reduce the risk of change failures. In this scenario, we've got a production and development environment. I've already made some changes in my development environment. I've added a new trigger to automatically notify my support group when a ticket from a priority customer is set to high priority. Keeping Sandbox aligned with production is critical. Let's start by taking a snapshot of our development environment. I'm going to name this snapshot Priority Tickets Snapshot. What this is doing is taking a look at your Sandbox environment and taking a snapshot of all the settings, configurations, triggers, fields, custom objects, automations, all those sorts of things. This creates an audit trail, supports collaboration, and allows for quick recovery later. Let's find that trigger that I added. When deploying, select the snapshot you want to work with. We'll want to deploy this to production. What this is doing at the moment is taking a backup of production, and we'll start comparing what's different between the two environments. Select the configurations you want to test, so in this case, we'll want to test the new trigger and a few others just to make sure everything is working smoothly. As you can see, the green highlight shows what's new and the red simply shows the name of the triggers and fields. Admins can validate exactly what's new or modified before deploying, whether they're triggers, macros, or workflows. This simplifies troubleshooting and reduces risks. And now we see the test has passed, and we'll click Deploy to get our changes live. Every deployment is logged, providing transparency and enabling teams to audit exactly what changes were made and when, supporting compliance and governance. And if anything goes wrong, you can revert to a previous trusted snapshot. With version management, you can now easily save, inspect, compare, and deploy configurations. For Zendesk sandboxes, this unlocks a more structured approach to planning, testing, and deploying changes, reducing risk while enabling faster, more reliable resolution. Want to learn how Sandbox can transform your service operations and keep your environment stable at scale? Click the link below to get started.